There are some days that you just want to show yourself self-love. Today is one of such days. So I'm going to be treating myself to beautiful Ofada sauce. I have shaki here, roundabout, and I'm going to be adding some chopped onions. I'm going to be using the new Onga curry powder for my shaki, and roundabout is starting from the aromatherapy. All right, yeah. And inside my Onga bag, I've got this yellow towel, I've got chopping board, kitchen essential utensils, tongue, whisk, spoons, knife, lighter. So many beautiful things from Onga, including seasoning. Thank you so much, Onga. All right, let me quickly get back to this, my sauce, because it's a self-love day. I've already parboiled my Ofada rice, washed, then I'm cooking it. I added a little bit of salt. I'm going to be adding 1 sachet of the new Onga curry powder to disturb the neighbors. I'm going to be adding some seasoning cubes and some salt and stir on it. I'll cover it, allow it to cook, bring out its own meat water before I continue. Now I'm going to start with processing my peppers and onions roughly. Now when you want to make good Ofada sauce, you need a good amount of onion. And look at the beautiful Onga curry color, and the aroma that is coming out from here is perfect. It's so beautiful, and it's still cooking in its own juice. But I'm going to add some water now to it so that it can cook through. Alright, so this meat is ready now. I'm just going to cut the shaki into tiny chewable bits. So I'll be adding some bleached palm oil to my pot, and I'll add the shaki. I'll also add the pomo. I'll stir on that. Allow it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then we'll add the blended pepper and onions. I'll stir, then cover it to cook. And I'll be adding some iru to this. I'll add my boiled eggs to it. Oh, this looks good. I'm going to just add some water and season, and our sauce is ready. Well, let me have a taste of that. Fantastic. This looks so good and satisfying. The aroma is satisfying, and the taste extremely yummy. And all of this is costing Onga curry powder. Go get yours in the market. Every Nigerian market you find it there. This is so good. This is so good. You know, there's this thing about Ofada sauce and eggs in it. Fantastic.